I want justice for my son, because him dead like that hot. Him dead like that hot. Him don't even know him dead.
You kill other people's child, our children, and I say gun. Need to stop it now, man. You need to stop. It piss me off. Me I tell you, my heart I bleed. Right now, my heart I feel like it's swell. It's swell. My heart swell. That hurts. Hurt me.
When you hear that, my viewers, 6 family them from Grand Spen, I say them want justice. And I say them a go up a indie come. But why them never want them pitney? And make him know if he stop par with gunman. So no welcome to my channel. And welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. So no drop some like on the video. Subscribe to my channel if you no subscribe yet. So here we go on to them people. JCF. Other next dopey to them name a Westmoreland. Them go bust out 40 ball head. Plus Shamar. I walk up and down pan Chambers Lane and I go on like a him they done. So before me jump in at the reasoning and make on know what I go on. Pre this.
That's spiritual growth, so I see things. I can't see things. So if you understand, I want him, I say somebody company I keep. Like some people from around you. Stay to yourself. Instagram say, you know, so I love stay by myself. So I not gonna say, I not gonna take up for my grandson, but grandson never have a gun. And keep my grandson a cold blood.
Was it a gun, man? I never yet see him with a gun.
When you hear that, my viewers, Jadim Goodin, aka 6, family them from Grand Spen, I say them want justice, and them they even know how to tell lie. Cause when you hear what the granny say she want her grandson, you know. Make him know say you see the man them where you walk with, and a parade, a gunman them, you know, hot box them, you know. And when JCF pull up a foot, if them not catch them, a year head them a go bust out, you know. Hear him mother know at the last of the interview, but she never yet see her son with a gun. You see when me I tell you no say most of them people here they even know if to tell lie. Most of them mothers here can't talk to them son. The moment them start talk to them son and fling some sense in a them head, them son get vexed and ready for disrespect them mother. And see it you know, when them dead and gone, who for problem? Not the mother problem. Cause most of the father them gone left most of the youth them boy you know. And most of the father them don't care about the youth them boy you know. So always the mother them a go through this. So see me my viewers on the screen. 6, where they walk up and down and a par with be a gunman in a Grand Spen. And JCF run him profile and go film and go bust out him head. So 6 wasn't an innocent youth. Even though him family them a talk about JCF go in him house and go bust out him head and him never have no strap on him. 6 did involve in the badness. So see it here, mothers out there, all when no talk to no pitney them, me know them nah listen to no. Them still a run up and down, still a follow friend and company, still a listen where they done and the general a say. Till see it here, funeral time. Some people walk with me and now see that boy you wanna see on the screen, 28-year-old Romy and Murray, aka 40 ball. One of the top killer them from out of the Kings Valley gang of Westmoreland. JCF go film and go bust out him head. And see it ya. Me tell the ghetto youth them you know. JCF nah joke. This another time for farm gang. This another time for run up and down with all iron in a hand. Una go get it. Remember that. So see me my viewers. Latest victim where JCF go for. And go add him back to them name down a Westmoreland. So to all of the youth them out there, put on a time and on the energy and the strength into something positive. Don't make no man tell you about for whole half no lane. Don't make no Dan and no general program yo. I no notice that the Dan and the general them run way. I coward the whole of them. So walk with me now. We are going to Spain town. See me Shamar, aka Shem, 641 from Chambers Lane. We are walk up and down and a image up. Him fi thank God. So when him General Tickman drop out, him never drop with him too. Some of viewers, the youth you wanna see on the screen. He might be a menace to society on the Chambers Lane, you know. I walk up and down and threaten people. Big thief, you know. But kill him dead, him think him a stepper. Him there with a little one porn star. Where if him no got thief and rob and have no money, she nah open up her leg for him. And all you see him a go on, him dey even know say him woman a clean off the whole of the man them rifle in a Spain town. So Shamar, No say 40, man. JSF soon pull up on your foot, man. And I hope when JSF pull up on your foot, you talk tough same way. And bust it up on them same way. Like how you talk and I say you're wicked, man. And you go fling 9 ball in a people's face. When JSF pull up on your foot, man. At the end of your days. So my people, me I wonder if me alone I think about this thing here. Or if me alone this thing here a puzzle. So now go tell me say, the little 4-year-old will lose her life a man devil. As she take her own 3 pints. And that now go tell me say as she go in her mother bag and take out the matic and put it her head and just squeeze it and take her own 3 pints. And that no really I go tell me say, my viewers, that no sound believable, you know. As somebody do this thing here, you know. The police them say them a do them investigation, you know, but you know think about this thing here, my viewers. Even if one in the head, somebody have to squeeze the trigger. Who squeeze the trigger? What them a go say? A the little girl go in the bag and squeeze the trigger. You say you put Pitney to bed. So where your bag did there? In the Pitney them bedroom? My viewers, we need answers, you know. We need answers. This thing, you know, look good, me I tell you, no. This thing, you know, puzzle me. Yesterday, I do the review. And for the whole day, I sit down and stay as a woman and meds the thing. Analyze the thing. And I pray the thing. And I say, me no feel like that little girl you wanna sip on the screen. Take out the matic out of the bag. And put it her own head. And press the trigger. I might be wrong, but my viewers, I can't see that. You hear that? So no make me know what you think about this thing here. If I me alone this thing here a puzzle. Because the thing set away me and tell you no. I could have make that little girl here lose her life. Or who do this. And why them do this. That me would have like for know. So me go take away myself you know. So until next time. Protect on 3 pints a road. When you don't know my code. Life over death. You see me?
I want justice for my son. Because him dead like that hot. Him dead like that hot. Him don't even know him dead.
You kill other people's child, our children, and I say gun. Need to stop it now, man. You need to stop. It piss me off. Me I tell you, my heart a bleed. Right now, my heart has to feel like it's swell. It's swell. My heart swell. It's a spiritual growth, so I see things. I can't see things. So if you understand, I want to say to my company I keep. Like some people for around you. Stay to yourself. Instagram say, you know, so I love stay by myself. So I not go say, I not go take off my grandson, but grandson never have a gun. Thank you, my grandson a cold blood.
He wasn't a gun man. I never yet see him with a gun.
By midday, the police managed to clear the debris, but